Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smartlife app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smartlife is a smart home app that connects and controls a wide variety of Wi-Fi-enabled devices like lights, plugs, sensors, cameras, and more, all from one place. It supports voice assistant integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, allows real-time monitoring, and lets you automate routines based on time, temperature, motion, or other conditions. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its clean interface and broad compatibility with different brands. Setting up new devices is generally easy, and the app supports grouping, scheduling, and scenes to simplify control. Users appreciate the convenience of checking devices remotely and getting notifications in real time. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional device disconnections or delayed automation triggers. The app may feel sluggish at times, especially when controlling multiple devices. And while it supports many products, advanced customization is limited for some third-party brands. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Smartlife is a solid choice for managing a connected home, especially if you're working with various brands. It offers useful automation, reliable control, and works well with major voice assistants. However, if you need high-end customization or have a large number of smart devices, you might want to explore other platforms too. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.